Hello everyone, today we are unboxing and reviewing this cool Boat 242 wired earphones. So let's see. It's time to unbox this wired earphone with the help of this knife. So this is the earphone that we are talking about. The packaging is really cool. Here the specification of the earphone contain. So let's unboxing it. This contains this cover where we can put this earphones, and this contains this paper and this sticker, this warranty card. It also contains this cool earbuds. So the main item is this earphone. It's looking cool. So let's use it in the phone. So it's time to use this cool earphone in my phone. As I install my earphone in my phone and playing this sound. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never gone, just have regrets. The sound and the bass of the earphones are really cool, you can see. So I recommend you to buy this earphone, and the pricing of this earphone is only $545, but at the offer and discounted price of this earphone is currently at $399. So surely you can afford this earphone and you can purchase this earphone. My rating of this earphone is 9. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel to view my latest videos in my channel.